Hi everyone, my name is Shashank Batra. I am from Mumbai, India, and this is my CS50 funnel project. It's called Productivity. This is a web application based tool that will hopefully help you manage your day better and in the process make you more productive. So this right here is the login page. I'll just quickly enter my username and log in. And on the home page, you'll be greeted along with your username. This is basically your productivity hub. It consists of a couple of functionalities. The first one is called to do, and as the name suggests, it's basically a to-do list where if you'd like, you can add tasks to it that you want to track, as I'll do just now. Once that task is added, you can mark it complete. You can remove this check if you want to do it again, let's say. You can edit the task name if you like, and once you're done with it, you can delete it as well. The next functionality is called notes, and as the name suggests, it sort of helps you in creating notes. It's basically inspired from the sticky notes feature which is present in Windows, and as you can see here, I have a couple of note headings, and within them, if I click on them, I have the corresponding note. If I want to edit a note, I can do that as well, and then I can go ahead and save it. If I want to add a new note, I can do that, and once you add it, it'll appear in your list, and as you can see, that note is present there. And once you are done with that note, you can delete it as well. And the final feature is called Planner. This is basically a monthly planner which will help you track your activities on a daily basis. As you can see, I can go back and forth in my calendar, and if I select a particular date, so in this case let me select, for example, 22nd, which is today. So as you can see, I have a couple of tasks here which I want to track, which I have not tracked for today, but let me go back to, let's say, 19th, which I did track. As you can see, on 19th I spent so and so hours on the two tasks which I want to track. I can edit them and save them as well, and as you can see at the bottom, this is sort of the total summary of that particular month, the total amount that you have spent on each of the tasks. If you want, you can add a new task. Once you add it, it will start appearing and you can start tracking it. As you can see, you can proceed by adding some amount of time to that, and as you can see this, so I have to select a date, and if I add some amount of time to it, you'll see that it's logged as well as it shows in the bottom summary as well. If I want to modify a task name, let's say, I can do that, and as you can see, it's modified. And finally, if I want to delete a task I no longer want to track, I can delete it as well. I've also programmed a bunch of fail safes here, which, for example, if I try to add an empty task, it will not allow me to do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As mentioned before, it's been coded in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Flask from Python. Thanks a lot.